My name is Reuben Guma. I am a pastor in Shiloh Tabernacle in southeastern London. I came here today to recruitment startup in Croydon, which I just stumbled upon online, and I came expectant, but after attending or through the workshop, I was blown away. The expectations were my expectations were below sea level. Meeting Joe, drawing from his 40-year experience in the recruitment industry, was beyond measure. The man knows what he's talking about, and throughout the training, throughout the workshop, I was captivated and drawn into the recruitment business like never before. I highly recommend this training, this program. Myself, I'm taking it on already, because one thing that stood out for me is that he talked about helping other people, and my goal, and which should be your goal if you are coming to this training or taking on this package, is to be able to help somebody secure a job, and that alone is something that rings a bell in me. And the training was very informative. He demystified all my fears, because my fear, one of the greatest things that has been stopping me from doing this is fear of the unknown, fear of failure, but he allayed all those fears. And another thing was finance, how to start a startup, and I was completely shocked by the fees that he charges, and also his commitment to your success, to my success. That is priceless, because he's not only giving you a product, but he's willing to walk the journey with you to make sure that you are a success. And after seeing a few success stories throughout the training, oh my God, this is something that you should surely be gunning for. So I recommend that you come and be part of this movement. I call it a movement, and you will not regret it. Thank you.